This is Adam Smith, the nationally licensed health insurance advisor, and today we're going to talk about why Americans struggle to pick the right health insurance for them and their families. So the terminology for health insurance can be kind of confusing. A lot of people don't ask questions, and they don't review their health coverage summary or the details of the benefits. So we're going to teach you how to pick the right health insurance. So you want to know a couple different numbers. Number one, your monthly premium. It has to make sense for you to keep that plan. If you're paying too much, then you need to look for a different plan. Number two, there are a couple different numbers to make sure you understand: the deductible, the coinsurance, and the out-of-pocket max. These numbers have to make sense as well, or else maybe this plan isn't worth carrying. Maybe it's just too expensive. And it has to give good benefits, because the whole reason to have insurance is to get guaranteed coverage when you do have something really major. So that first number, the monthly premium, that's the amount we pay out of pocket each month just to keep the coverage. Again, that has nothing to do with the deductible. And the monthly premium does not change no matter how much you use the coverage. So if you don't go to the doctor, your monthly premium stays the same. If you do go to the doctor 8 times that year, your monthly premium stays the same. Sometimes people look at higher premium plans and perceive that they have less risk. Just because you have a high monthly premium doesn't mean you're always going to get the best coverage. Kind of similar to picking a hotel. As a family, we've stayed at hotels that have a more expensive nightly stay, but then they charge us for every additional thing there. We had to pay to park. We had to pay for breakfast out of our pocket. There was an extra fee to use the pool, and so on. So just because your monthly premium's high doesn't mean you're getting the biggest bang for your buck. Similarly, we've stayed at less expensive hotels that have breakfast included. We didn't have to pay to use the pool, parking was free, and just had a bunch of additional amenities. So make sure your plan makes sense for you. Try to get a lower monthly premium, try to get a lower deductible, try to get a better network, and oftentimes the way to do this is actually in the private market, which isn't available to the public. Again, there are a few different markets to consider, so when you have questions, when you're shopping, please let me know. I'd be happy to answer all your questions and show you all the options. If you want to see the best rates in the private market, again, I'm Adam Smith, the nationally licensed health insurance advisor, and I'm your guy. So book a time on my calendar, and I'd love to show you all the options and see if you can get a better rate. Make sure you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe, because we've got a lot more content coming.